In the previous weekly market summary, the market structure remained bearish after moving below the critical monthly low. A bullish reversal is possible because the current price is within a crucial liquidity zone. The US dollar closed bullish against the basket of currencies, although the US dollar index is yet to test the important resistance at the 105.89 level. In the weekly chart, the EURUSD moved below the 100-week SMA level for the first time since May 2023. Moreover, the 20-day EMA is above the longer one, indicating a selling pressure. The momentum indicator remains below the 100 line, while the current RSI is bearish below the 40 line, indicating a selling pressure. Based on technical indicators, the EURUSD price develops below important SMA levels, while the current 20 EMA is heading firmly south in the daily price. Finally, technical indicators became stabilized at negative zones, with no sign of creating a bottom. Based on the EURUSD weekly forecast, the near-term support level is at 1.064, which was the crucial zone to overcome. Therefore, if the price comes below this level and forms a strong bearish D1 candle, we may expect the downside pressure to continue toward the 1.052 level. On the bullish side, a V-shaped recovery with a stable price above the 1.0700 level could indicate a bullish rally towards the 1.0820 level.